Space Explorer, and you know that if you want to go to space, you need to learn how to code. This is a really basic coding app called Scratch. Yeah, I've made other projects that, like, I made this cool one. Just wait for it to load. So it's basically where there's a planet Earth and it bobs along. It's supposed to make that popping noise every time it hits the edge, but unfortunately it glitches sometimes. I tried to add in a score so every time it hits the edge it'll put in a score, but I didn't. And here I made Pac-Man, not sponsored, but it's my version of it. Yeah, that cat's creepy. And it's practically impossible to beat the game. There is no actual ending to it. There is if you get beaten by the cat, but what I class as an ending to it is getting past score 100, which that may seem easy. So you use these little arrows down here to control it. If you quickly want to know, here's the code for the Pac-Man thing, here's the code for the goat or cat. That's the coding, and that's the coding for the arrows. Okay, so that's for if you wanted to create it yourself. But then there's something. You may think it's easy because you move like this. But you may think it's easy because you may think the cat's going pretty slow, but that cat's fast. That cat's really fast. Yeah, I think it just glitched there, but have a look. Why isn't this working? Yeah, there. So basically, here, this code is so it means forever it'll glide towards the Pac-Man, and still not sponsored. Every time I say it, it's not sponsored, remember that. And if it touches it, it'll say hello, then 2 seconds later it'll stop the game. And every second the score goes up. But I've figured out an exploit to it, which basically, if you've been living under a rock, that's a way to glitch it. So it looks sort of like this, but I'm going to change it. Okay. And you have to be really good to do it, and it's pretty hard, but boom. And the cat's programming makes it think that it's got you, but it actually hasn't. But because of its perfectly made hitbox that I've created on it, and the score can slowly go up. Okay, nearly there. See, I can pass 100%, and the thing is, this cat is really fast. I'm literally tapping as fast as I can, but it got me. Okay, I think that's it for the video, but remember, use this and try and get your characters pretty similar shapes to this. So how I got the cat is you'll actually start off just with this cat. Then what I did is I removed the rest of its body by tapping on it and deleting it, which after tapping on it and deleting it, I moved its body, I rubbed out its eyes and made it a lot creepier. In the process, I made this tiny little part at the top left of the cat, which rubs out one of his ears, but it makes it for part of the Pac-Man to just fit in there and glitch out the cat. Yeah, the cat does not know what's happening. So if you want to see my other videos, you can, and bye.